video, the wind is affecting the current because the wind is creating a circular current, most commonly known as a gyre. The star represents the blowing wind. The 4 red dots represent the direction of warm or cold water in the current. The North Atlantic Gyre is a circular system of ocean currents that stretch across the North Atlantic to the equator. What causes this is global wind patterns and Earth's rotation. This all depends on the direction of the wind. Wind blows on the ocean surface, making the water move in the direction of the wind. There are 5 gyres in the world. There is a North Pacific Gyre, the South Pacific Gyre, the North Atlantic Gyre, the South Atlantic Gyre, and the Indian Ocean Gyre. The North Atlantic Gyre affects our lives because it is a constant rotation of water. This can be similar to a whirlpool. This gyre pulls in garbage floating around, and what this garbage does is break down and never goes away. It affects us because the fish and wildlife consume the garbage. And what do humans eat? Fish and wildlife. Yuck. Yes, we humans are eating contaminated fish. Gross. I know, right? Yeah. The relationship between global wind patterns and ocean currents is that they are driven by wind. Global winds run along the ocean surface, which causes an ocean current to move in the direction of the wind. At the equator, winds go east and west. At middle latitudes such as 40 degrees, the winds go east. An ocean current not blocked by a continent is the east and west wind drift. They are located in the southern region from 40 degrees south to 80 degrees south. Obviously, they travel east and west, but they travel from 180 degrees west to 180 degrees east. In addition to that, a disruption of ocean currents would result in dramatic changes to the climate.